Hey everybody, and welcome back to another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Martha and Marley Spoon Spinach and Cheese Ravioli Limone. I already have the water boiling for the ravioli itself. This should take about 20 to 30 minutes. The nutrition facts are 580 calories, 33 grams of fat, 47 grams of carbs, and 24 grams of proteins. That being said, let's get into the unboxing. Supplemental ingredients are pepper, salt, and butter. And then we have my pasta raviolis. And then in the bag we've got, we also have garlic. Parmesan cheese, cremini mushrooms, 2 lemons, mascarpone cheese, and what is this? Thyme. So the first step is chill out. Prep ingredients. So bring a large saucepan of salted water to boil. We're already boiling it here. Thinly slice 1 large garlic clove. Thinly slice mushrooms. Finely grate zest from 1 lemon. And then squeeze 2 tablespoons of juice into a small bowl. Cut remaining lemon into wedges. And then strip 1½ teaspoons of thyme leaves from stems. Discard the stems. So let's get working on the garlic first. I got a new cutting board. It's super cute. It has these little grooves, so whenever I do garlic or herbs or something, I could just push them up into that and they won't take up any of the space here. Pretty cool. I really like these little trays of herbs. The only thing that sucks is that I always have a lot left over, and since I don't use fresh herbs that often, they tend to dry up, which I feel like is a waste, but whatever. I'm kind of excited about the ravioli. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous videos. I did do one in HelloFresh. And it was a mushroom ravioli, and it was easily my favorite dish from that service. So I'm kind of hoping, or let's see if this one will give the HelloFresh meal a run for its money. So mushrooms are done. Let me get the grater for the lemons. I guess I'm not prepared today. Today is actually, well, today is Sunday, but Saturday is usually my day off where I'm dead to the world. I don't work, I don't cook, I don't do jack shit because I'm always so exhausted. So today I'm trying to get everything going back, or trying to get myself together again. Chore day, workout day, filming, editing, all kinds of shit on a Sunday. So I'm a little exhausted at this point. How much was it, guys? Oh, it's all the zest from the lemon. Okay. Now again, the lemon wedges, they're just for garnish, so I'm not going to do that. I don't want to waste a lemon. I think garnishing is stupid for when you're cooking dinner or lunch, food that's going to be eaten and not stared at. That's just my opinion. Okay, and then we'll do the lemon juice. I think it said how much? 2 tablespoons. I have a cut on my pointer finger, so I don't want to get lemon juice in there because it burns like hell. Next step is saute the mushrooms. So you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium skillet over medium-high heat. Then, let me get that. Oh, but you bitch. Okay, so add mushrooms and season with salt and pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally until browned and dry. Water will release from mushrooms, then evaporate while cooking 4 to 5 minutes. Butter's melted, so let's get those mushrooms in. Where is Marley? Give it a little mix. Get that butter everywhere, salt and pepper seasoned out or seasoned throughout. And we're gonna let that cook down. So I'm gonna let this cook down. The water's still not boiling, so let's take a quick break and then we'll get back to it. Okay, so we're still cooking the water out of these guys, of the mushrooms, but the water's starting to boil for the pasta. So let's throw in the ravioli. So it says step 3 is, meanwhile, return saucepan of water to a boil if necessary. Add ravioli to boiling water. If stuck together, gently pull apart, only if possible without tearing. Reduce heat and simmer gently, stirring occasionally until al dente 3 to 4 minutes. Reserve 1 cup of cooking water. Drain ravioli. Set aside in a colander until step 5. Let's get these guys going. Now these little raviolis are about 1/4 of the size of the raviolis from HelloFresh. Those raviolis were like that big. They were so good. But, I mean, it's not all about size, right, guys? These look pretty dry, so we're moving on to step 4. We're going to start the sauce. It says add sliced garlic. Lemon zest, half of the thyme, stirring to combine with mushrooms. We're going to stir this until fragrant, about 1 minute. And then we transfer the little mixture to a plate because we're just going to reuse the pan. Oh, it smells really good. Let me get a little paper plate. Okay, so we're going to reserve 1 cup of the pasta water. No. And we're going to stir in 2/3 of it. With the lemon juice. You're going to scrape up any brown bits from the bottom. Step 5, it says add mascarpone to the skillet and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until mascarpone is melted and sauce is smooth. Okay, well. Okay, the cheese is melted. Next is thin sauce with 1 tablespoon of cooking water. Okay, I'd say that's pretty thin. And then it says thin sauce with 1 tablespoon of cooking water at a time until sauce just coats the back of a spoon, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, I think that's good. So now we're going to stir in the ravioli and cook until warmed through. Just remember to be gentle so you don't tear the little pockets. Raviolis can be very sensitive. Flip, you bastard! Oh! Okay, I got it. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Just gonna put a little bit. Just move it around a little just so everything can get coated with the salt and pepper. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so then finish and serve is the last step. So it says serve ravioli with sauce and mushrooms and sprinkle some of the Parmesan and remaining thyme leaves over top. Serve remaining Parmesan and any lemon wedges alongside for squeezing over if desired. And enjoy. So I'm going to clean this mess up, plate, and then we'll be back to try it. Okay, so here we are. I took one little pocket with some Parmesan cheese and the mushroom on it. So let's try it. This is really good. It's super creamy. It's so creamy that I can't even tell if the ravioli is al dente or not. The lemon comes through really, really well. This is super good. Oh my God, so good. I don't even know what else to say other than it's super delicious. I can't taste the spinach. I really just taste cheese and lemon. It's so good. It works so good together. Yep. I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. Is it better than HelloFresh? No way. I mean, the pockets were much bigger, but it's really close behind. Yeah, I definitely recommend this. If you guys want to try Martha Stewart, the Martha and Marley spoon, I definitely recommend this dish. Again, it's called Spinach and Cheese Ravioli Limone if you want to go and look for it. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. This thing was super quick. I feel like I breezed through it. It's very delicious. It meets all of my qualifications for a convenient meal kit delivery service. That being said, Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate all the views, and I will see you guys the next episode. Have a good night. Toodaloo.